In front of me is the LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. First, go into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then you need to find location shortcut. If you can't find it here, hold this line and drag it down. Then look for your shortcut. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see this pop-up, select close to disable location. So when I go back, as you can see, my shortcut turned gray. That means that location is off, but you can switch it on by clicking on the same one until it's blue. Quick tip: you can also go into settings and scroll to tap on location over here. Then manage it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!